Okay, I've got a band block in there just to cover up the inside of the head and the sweatband while I spray it. I'm going to just take some spray and I'm going to spray the underside of the brim. Make sure you brush it first, get the dust off, and that's it. Next step is let it dry and then steam into shape. Alright, I hit it with some Scout. It actually did come out pretty misty. You have to just give it a good shake before you spray it. And that's about it. We're going to let this sucker dry now, and then we're going to steam it back. We'll see if we can get a little better flange out of this. I mean, it's okay, but it's not responding perfectly. And it should, because it's very good quality.